Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Tanka AI. In order to do so, here we are at Tanka.ai, and Tanka is the world's first messenger with AI long-term memory for team collaboration, project management, research, sales and marketing, customer support, onboarding, email communications, and more. So here we can see that we can gain early access. We also have some videos that we can watch, been featured on these different platforms. We'll just scroll down here, can do team collaboration, chat, email, memo, calendar, video, workflow, file, CRM. You have an AI assistant that helps you to summarize, highlight, recall details, and set reminders. AI-powered smart reply. With memory or with no memory, you can generate context-aware replies for messages and emails in an instant, and you can join the beta there. Integrated Communication Hub seamlessly integrates with Slack, WhatsApp, Outlook, and more. Tanka's AI-powered long-term memory enables context-aware smart reply and AI assistant, saving hours of writing messages and emails. Tanka's neuroscience-inspired long-term memory for AI. You can look at some of the details there. Long-term memory enabled multi-agent framework. The core abstraction layer of the Omni framework is primarily designed for multi-agent architecture. It defines the unified memory model and abstracts messages and data. Built for teams like yours, trusted by professionals, and we have an FAQ. So let's go ahead and click on, well, let's try logging in here really quick. Let's see what that brings us. Okay, so let's try continuing with Google, and let's just see where that takes us. Okay, so in order to proceed with Tanka, we do need to join the waitlist. So if you're going to interested in using Tanka, go ahead and come to Tanka AI and join the waitlist. Get your information in there and then click on that and hope for the best. And that is all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations and socials. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.